Gatho ni undu wa gucoka. Kenyans makiria celebs ni mathiete na mbere gutetera na kuonia Samido wendo munene thutha wa drama iria irigiceirie rwimbo rwake rwa Toxic Love gukorwo rugithario kuma YouTube. Comedian uyu akoretwo agitungio bara akihutithanio na rwimbo ruu guthario kuma YouTube. Riu matha mwe hakihinga akirare maramutungia bara ya miario matige, akiuga ati Mori has single-handedly built his own brand and earned his space in content creation. Before we silence him and put off his candle, let us reason with him. He has said that he has nothing to do with the Samido copyright concern and that he was just a vixen. Waithaka wa Jeni auma wa mbere kuonia comedian uyu urahutithanio na drama ino egie rwimbo ruru rwa Samido kwegutio YouTube. Waithaka akimuonia wendo munene muno. Waithaka ugete ati kuma miaka 25 nginya 30 ti kuhuthu, na captioni agikorwo agitwarithania hamwe na bisha ino agikorwo ageikia makihuritwo hamwe na DJ Dibul na comedian Mori. Dibul mwena wake erite Samido ati ona rwimbo rwake rwegutio YouTube ni ruingirite meciria-ini ma andu na gutire uria rungiriganira. No mathamwe hakihinga arera a Kenya matigakorwo makinina Mori kuona we gutire uria rakihutithanio na rwimbo ruru rwa Samido ugikorwo rukiegutio YouTube. Ni ndeto iria irathie na mbere. Drama ino irakihutithanio na Toxic Love, rwimbo rwa Samido ruria rurakiri hakuhi milioni 5 na ruria ruregutirio mwena wa YouTube. Ndigutenderithia ici makiria ndashare tore cianginyira. Make sure you turn on your notification uga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakorwo ri wa mbere kwamukira video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.